Today we're going to take on clarified lime juice and make a clarified lime cordial without any specialty tools. No centrifuge here today or any day, but you will need some specialty products to make this. My overall goal is to show you how you can do this at home, and then you can decide if it's something you actually want to take on. When it comes to clarified lime juice, we're removing the suspended materials from the juice like the pulp. But before we get into that, why would you ever want to do this? And there's actually a few reasons. First, you can make things look prettier. A clarified drink can look obviously more clear, but also more vibrant in its color. And in certain applications, you might want your drink to look that way. Second is if you want to make a carbonated drink, you can make a far superior one by removing the solids from your juices. The more solids, the more nucleation sites for carbonated gas to form bubbles and escape. That sounds a little odd. You need to think about the quality champagne glasses. Most nowadays have laser etched lines at the bottom, with the rest of the glass being incredibly smooth. That etched line is the nucleation point for the bubbles to form, and you get that cool cascading effect of the bubbles. Something like a normal lime juice in a cocktail with all of its solids is just one giant nucleation site, which means you lose carbonation much faster. So the final reason why you may want to try this is the most important to me, and that allows you to take a fruit juice and add it to a stirred cocktail. Most stirred drinks, if they have any acidity at all, are getting that acidity from modifiers like vermouths, aromatized and fortified wines. Those can be wonderful and delicious in cocktails, but clarifying juices opens up a whole new world of cocktails by allowing you to get fresh citrus straight into your stirred drink. The specialty products you'll need today are Pectinex Ultra SPL. It's an enzyme that breaks down pectin structure, chitosan, which is a wine fining agent, and Kieselsolal, which is another fining agent for wine and juices that removes peptides. You can buy all three of these together from the Modernist Pantry in the Spinzall Starter Kit. Like me, you might also not have a centrifuge for your home cocktail needs, but that's okay because we're going to go through the same process, and instead of running it through a centrifuge, we can still get the clarified lime juice, but we won't get the same yield as you would in a centrifuge. Now, depending on what you're clarifying and the simple method that we're going to use today, you could get by with only using Pectinex, but whatever your juice is would need to be something that could hold up in the refrigerator while the solids settle from the Pectinex. Lime juice, we don't have that luxury. If we wait 24 hours with lime juice in the fridge, it's going to go bad. So today's process is accelerating that with those additional products without using a centrifuge. The process for all of this and the recipe is from the Tropical Standard Book by Garret Ricahed and Ben Schaefer, and that's piggybacking off of the clarifying techniques from Dave Arnold and in his book, Liquid Intelligence. If you are looking to take this on, I'll include a link in the episode description where you can save $10 at the Modernist Pantry. That's not an affiliate link. It's just a loyalty program that I am in and have been in long before this YouTube channel. You can get that too, and you can share your link with your friends and families, and they can, go on and clarify their own lime juices, and you can earn yourself some points. I'm going to be using my points very soon to buy some super bags. To make a clarified lime juice, add 500 milliliters of fresh citrus juice to a container and add in 2 milliliters of Pectinex, followed by half of our Kieselsolal, which in this case is another 2 milliliters. Stir this and we're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. Your chitosan needs to be made into a solution, which I've already done. There's instructions on the bag on how to make this, and you'll need distilled white vinegar. Next, you're going to add in your 2 milliliters of your chitosan, stir, and then let that rest for 15 more minutes. Finally, add in the remainder of the Kieselsolal, which is 2 more milliliters, and let it rest for 1 hour. After the hour is up, you'll see that the top here is pretty much clarified. You want to pour this off carefully, making sure not to disturb the solids at the bottom, and as soon as you get close to the solids coming to the top, you want to stop. So is it worth it? Is it a waste of lime juice? Now for me, one of the reasons I'm doing this, the main reason, is I have a couple recipes coming up from Tropical Standard where I want to use their lime cordial and use some clarified lime juice. But even more importantly, just a couple days ago, I found limes 5 for 98 cents. So To me, with the price of limes at like 50 cents or more a lime, would you want to go through this? It depends on the cocktail you're making, but if you're finding limes 5 for $1, to me, that's why I'm doing this right now. All right, next we're gonna make a clarified lime cordial. Now, the tropical standard recipe is very easy as long as you have the clarified lime juice. But if you don't have clarified lime juice and you just want to make a lime cordial, you could follow this recipe. It's just as easy as any other recipe out there. So first, we're going to take our 250 milligrams clarified lime juice and add it to a saucepan. Next, add in 250 grams of sugar. It's crazy in the saucepan just how clear that lime juice is. Next, we're gonna add in 12.5 grams of lime peel. So I don't have a stove out here, so I'm gonna take it to my kitchen and bring it to a simmer. Once it starts to simmer, I'm gonna put a lid on and I'm gonna reduce the heat to the lowest setting on my stove and let it simmer for 15 minutes. After that, I'm gonna turn it off and let it sit covered for 6 hours. So next thing we need to do is bottle it. Now we're not done yet. We're gonna add 5 grams of citric acid and 2.5 grams of malic acid. In a side-by-side comparison, this is the clarified lime cordial. This is the tropical standard lime cordial if you just take the lime juice and put it through a coffee filter. So there's a big difference in the color. This one's obviously much darker, but this one's also not clear really at all. And this one might not look super clear right now. There's some air bubbles trapped in the syrup because of how I shook it to get the acids in. But if you do the read test with my favorite book, Rainbow in Tahiti, you can actually read through this one, and this one you can't see through at all. Now, as far as flavors go, they're both definitely lime, but the clarified version has a sharper, cleaner taste, where the one that wasn't clarified has more of those bitter notes from the lime. So ultimately, if it's worth your time, it really depends on if you want to explore clarified lime juice. There are other methods out there that you could try, but with what I have on hand, this is something that I can easily do. I'll be back in coming weeks for some more cocktails using our clarified lime cordial. Now also that clarified lime juice, I was able to pull another 1.5 ounces, maybe 2 ounces from it. So if you're a little more patient, you have a little more time, you'll be able to get a little bit more from that clarified lime juice. Future me here to talk to you about the yield of this, because after I finished filming this episode, I calculated out the yield to be about 65% of the lime juice that I started with, which is not a great yield if you're talking about clarifying lime juice, but I subsequently went and I made this clarified lime juice 2 more times and a clarified grapefruit juice. And I found that if you're a little bit more patient and you give a little bit more than an hour, depending on the temperature of the room you're in, you can get a yield somewhere in the mid 80%. That's if you pour off that first clear layer of liquid there, and then you put the rest through a coffee filter. It might not all be crystal clear, but you're gonna get really clear juice and you'll get a yield somewhere in the mid 80s. So that's it for this one, clarified lime juice with a clarified lime cordial. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like below, consider subscribing to the channel, and otherwise, see you on the next one.